Clear prop.
This is Uli Sierra, Foxtrot November Hotel, good day.
Foxtrot November Hotel, standby 1, break. Uli Sierra, Foxtrot November Hotel, Ransack, day good.
Foxtrot November Hotel, the Charlie 172, request action instructions for circuit training with 2 crew on board, 2 hours endurance and 1 hour duration.
Foxtrot November Hotel, the QNH 1020, taxi holding point runway 35, hold short 29.
QNH 1020, taxi holding point runway 35, hold short of 29, Foxtrot November Hotel.
The mic is ready, runway 35. Foxtrot November Hotel, cross runway 29.
Cross runway 29, Foxtrot November Hotel.
Zulu Sierra, Romeo, Victor, target.
Remain east of runway 35, we'll call ready to cross Romeo, Victor.
Romeo Foxtrot, stay safe, thank you.
Romeo Foxtrot, down 6 days.
Foxtrot November Hotel is holding short runway 35, ready for departure.
Foxtrot November Hotel, copy, stand by. Foxtrot November Hotel, report traffic on the glide runway 35 inside.
That's the traffic there, right? AFib. We have traffic in the glide inside Foxtrot November Hotel.
Foxtrot November Hotel, behind the traffic on the glide, line up and wait runway 35 behind.
Line up and wait behind the traffic on runway 35 Foxtrot November Hotel.
Handle below 6,000 feet, remain west of runway 35, ready for the crossing next, Romeo Mike Victor.
November Lima Mike, when ready, turn base, report final approach runway 35, number 1, minimum safe one.
Kevin is coming from the left a bit. Honda, EI.
November Hotel, proceeding traffic remaining in the circuit, runway 35, clear takeoff, the surface on 350 degrees, 8 knots, left turn, report left downwind, 6,300 feet.
Clear for takeoff, runway 35, report left downwind, 6,300 feet, Foxtrot November Hotel.
Again, runway 29, extra mic.
Robin, Zulu with you. Apologies, I had radio issues. Let's sort it out now.
Let's call under rubber brake in the X-ray, make power.
Notice the nose is off to the left. Straighten the nose with right rudder and run into it.
Sorry about that, we'll line up points. Runway 35 behind. The extra mic.
There we go. That's what you want. Right all the way down there.
November Mike, we are ready to turn base. We can stand by the glide for the traffic.
Okay, flaps coming up.
Ready base.
Staying on the centre line. Flaps are up, we're going to go full power. Oh, well, too bad.
Great.
Definitely improved a lot.
Thanks.
Perfect.
Foxtrot November Hotel left down on runway 35 full stop.
November Hotel, copy the full stop report, final approach 35, number 2.
On approach runway 35 number 2, Foxtrot November Hotel. Go. Foxtrot November Hotel, final approach runway 35, continue. Okay, fix it.
November Hotel, continue approach 35, copy and clear to the
Continue approach runway 35, Foxtrot November Hotel.
November Hotel, runway 35, surface wind 3 degrees, pitch land.
It's land runway 35, Foxtrot November Hotel. Beautiful, on the centre line. Perfect.